The theatre, the pomp, the tradition. Greece just wouldn't be the same without its presidential guard. Sunday morning, and the soldiers, or Evzones, parade to the tomb of the unknown soldier. They've done it since they were founded in 1868. An elaborate ceremony every hour as they keep watch, and the tourists love them.
I don't really think they've noticed any of us.
No, it's really funny. It's similar to the guards in London.
Do you think you could do what they're doing?
No. No.
Can you?
People flashing the cameras at you. No. You have to keep a straight face. No way. No way.
They are the elite unit of the Greek army. In the past, they fought. Now they're ceremonial. New recruits train hard to take on the special job.
He must believe that it's an honor to serve at the Presidential Guard. He must believe also that he represents history of Greece. There is no unit that can match the pride I feel commanding this unit.
Looking the part takes work. They don a uniform from Greece's War of Independence in 1821. Everything is made on site. The shoes are given nails to enhance the stamping sound. As for the tunic, it has 400 folds, one for each year of Ottoman rule. At the base and the presidential palace, the Evzones stand guard. No flinching, whatever the distraction.
If it's something really serious, then you bang your gun down like this, go like this, and then the soldier that's there on duty comes and asks you what your problem is, and you have to respond with your eyes. One blink is yes, two blink is no, three blinks is I don't know. So you kind of have a conversation with your eyes with him so that he understands what's wrong with you.
Not only do these guys have to wear these heavy, hot uniforms, but they've also got to carry 7-kilo rifles, which I can tell you are extremely heavy. Now, they've had weeks of training. I've had 10 minutes. I think I will pale in comparison, but let's see if I can do the arming of the rifle. So, Yanni, we're ready?
Yes. Let's go.
Start like this.
1, 2, 3.
Oof. They are extremely heavy. I don't think I'm cut out to be an Evzon.
At twilight, the weekly ritual. Beside the Acropolis, the soldiers raise the flag. It and they watch over the city. This ancient nation keeps its traditions alive, and it's all the more magical for it. Mark Lowen, BBC News, Athens.